Hello everyone, welcome to Doctor's Academy. This video is about a paper writing competition. Akhil Bharatiya Rashtriya Saishik Mahasangh ABRSM is conducting a research paper writing competition for the teaching community of Bharat to reflect upon the contemporary issues of the society. The global pandemic of COVID 19 has brought the social and economic life to a standstill. It created an unprecedented situation for the governments all over the world to close down the educational institutions, and as a consequence of it, millions of students were forced to stay in their homes. It was a very stressful and complex situation for both teachers and the students. This pandemic posed new challenges but also offered new opportunities. This research paper writing competition is intended to provide an opportunity to the teaching community in Bharat to articulate their views on issues which are important for the country. The research paper writing competition will be organized under two levels of teachers, that is, school level teachers and the university and college level teachers. Teachers will be eligible to participate and choose the topic only from the respective category. The research papers can be written in Hindi, English, or in any regional languages as per the convenience of the participants. Research paper topics for the school level teacher participant. First, inculcating the spirit of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat through education. Second, effectiveness of online education. 3. Holistic development of children, role of mother tongue. Fourth one, implementation of National Education Policy 2020, opportunities and challenges. Research paper topics for the university or college level teacher participants. 1. Atmanirbhar Bharat, opportunities and challenges. Second, role of social media in democracy. Third, sustainable development through education. And the fourth one, implementation of National Education Policy 2020, opportunities and challenges. Guidelines for participation. All the teachers at both levels, schools and university and colleges, who are interested to participate in the research paper writing competition are required to register online by paying a token amount of rupees 100. For details, please visit https:/abrsm.in for online registration and payment of registration fees. Kindly select any one topic of your choice from the given topics under your respective category and write the paper in Hindi or English or any regional language of your choice. The word limit for the research paper is between 3000 to 5000 words. Your paper should be original and should not be submitted to any other place for publication or evaluation. Please provide proper references, full bibliographic for the quotations or the data that you may have used in your paper. Please write your registration number on the top of the right corner of the first page of your paper. Please do not write your name, college name or address or email or mobile number to maintain the anonymity of the evaluation process. Please submit or upload the soft copy in PDF file of your paper at http:/abrsm.in by 31st May 2021. The detailed procedure for submission of paper will be provided after registration. Evaluation and selection process. The selection of the best paper for the prizes will be done at two stages. preliminary stage at state level, and final stage at central level. A screening committee constituted at the state level will evaluate all the submitted papers and will identify the top 10% paper in each category and send them to the central level committee for the final selection. At the final stage, the central level selection committee will get all the recommended papers received from the various states evaluated by the experts, and on the basis of the average marks, the best 10 paper in each category will be selected. Out of these 10 papers in each category, school and college or universities, besides the first, second and third prizes, 7 consolation prizes will also be given. The criteria for evaluation. The research paper will be evaluated on the basis of the following. 1. Comprehension and interpretation of the topic. Second, systematic structure and flow of the presentation. Third, depth, diversities and relevance of the facts, data and arguments. Fourth, clarity in communication of major points, suggestions, findings. And originality of the research paper. Copy and paste material will disqualify the paper. Result of the Akhil Bharatiya Research Paper Writing Competition 2021 shall be declared by 31st July 2021. And the prizes will be given separately in both categories at school level and university or college level in a public function to be held at central place. And the first prize will be 21,000 rupees, and the second prize will be rupees 15,000, and the third prize will be 11,000 rupees. And there will be 7 consolation prizes of 5,100 each. If there is more than one winner in the category of first, second or third, the prize money will be equally distributed among the winners. Publication and certificate. All participants who qualify at the state level will be given a participation certificate. The best 15-20 research paper will be selected for publication in an edited book with ISBN. The authors of the research papers selected for the publication will be required to make necessary revisions as per the requirements of the book before publication. The members connected with the evaluation and selection process will be allowed to take part in this competition but not entitled for the prize. For any further information, please write to contact@abrsm.in. Hope this information is useful for those who are writing paper, and you can get it published through in a book, and also you can win prize money of 21,000 rupees. So thank you very much for watching Doctor's Academy. If this information is useful, kindly share it with your friends and others in your contact. Thank you.